What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Godson B.A. Pinky, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here in Canva Play, we make videos to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here, as we upload new videos all the time. With that said, I'm going to head on to our today's tutorial. Our today's tutorial is about creating the Euphoria filter edits in Canva. Did you know that TikTok, Instagram, and Snapshots have a Euphoria edits? When you say Euphoria or Euphoria edits in particular, classic blue and pink lighting effects will come into your mind. These two blended colors are well-known colors of Euphoria effect that makes your design stunning. A filter that will take your surroundings from dull and drab to vibrant and fab. Euphoria aesthetics has the lighting vibe full of pinks, blues, and purples and yellow added. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create lighting shades in your subject photos inspired by Euphoria edits. To make this introduction short, let's now go to Canva and make the Euphoria filter edits, and this is the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page, and let's create a design using the Euphoria filter edits. My subject photo will be taken from uploads. Since Euphoria edits is very well-known filter effects nowadays, especially with the younger community called Gen Z, I prefer to use an image of a woman in this age. This photo can also be found under photos by searching the keyword portrait of Gen Z teen girl. After dragging the photo in my design page, I will set it as my background. Next step is I will apply an effect on this image to condition it with pinkish and bluish vibe kind of photo. Using the image, I will go to edit image, and then I will find color mix, see all, and then I will find from its subs the marmalade effect, this one, and change the default settings to hue 0.1, saturation 0.4, then apply. Please take note that this is not the standard settings. You can add or minus the default amount of hue and saturation until you achieve the pink, blue, or purple colors in your photo. Also, you can also use other subs aside from marmalade. Pro tip is choose an effect that you can see more of pink and blue effect when you use a certain photo. Now, the effect is not yet complete. I will adjust the settings to intensify its colors more. So using the image again, go to edit image, scroll down below, and find the adjust settings. See all, and then change the default settings to brightness -30, contrast remain to 0, saturation 80, tint 28, warmth -23, vibrance 75, highlights -24, and shadows 12. And here's the result. an intensified and vibrant image with euphoria colors. This is a very short tutorial. We are now on the final touch. I will put an overlay over the image to make it smooth. So I will get the overlay from elements or photos. You can find this photo or element on both. I will go to photos and search for the keyword rainbow art background. Neon light defocused rays. And here it is, the first photo, showing you the keyword. Now I will drag it in my design. I will overlay it on the photo, but before that, before overlaying it, I will apply another effect on this overlay. Using the overlay photo, go to edit image, find adjust settings, see all, and change the default settings to brightness 25, contrast 5, saturation 100, blur -5, X process -12, clarity 3, highlights 100, and lastly shadows -100. And then I will change its transparency to 30. And then I will resize it by dragging it from its corners to occupy the whole page. And lock it. Transforming the image look or mode is very important in doing a design. For example, if you want to make your photo look vibrant and lovely, you should apply a filter code to make it as one. If you want to create a moody and dark mode, you can also do it by using a filter code to make it as one. If you want to make your photo set up in a different kind of modes, we created CANVAGUM, an ebook of Canva preset filter codes and with an addition of special customized frames inside to make your designs visually appealing to achieve the vibe it deserves. With CanvaGum, you don't have to worry about any tools to filter your images aesthetically because CanvaGum can help you with that. It has 10 filter codes to choose from. Take note that this filter code I use here in this design is not included. Now, the effect is done. This is not the final look of Euphoria filter edits I made using Canva. But before that, I will take again the original photo I used to showcase the difference. This is the original photo. And this is the photo with Euphoria filter edits applied. Did you like it? That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Pinky Godson BA saying, sharing is caring. In behalf of Simon Goodheart BA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Simon with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video!